What is up, guys? We we was very bored at home, so we thought we would rent a car and just drive, just basically drive. We came to this island. It's a very famous island. I've been here before, never with the car, and it was very small. I think I was like in high school, not that small, but I was in high school. Everything's quite close. There are like 2 or 3 stores that are open. It's very beautiful here. The day today is just beaming with light. It's just very nice. It's just a very nice day today. And everything's closed. No parking. We have to park our car on the side of the road, which we will have to move later. There are still locals that goes to the beach and surf, because it's a surfing island, is it? Right? There's a lot of surfing guys here, so yeah. Came all the way from Tokyo to they wanna local locals. It's great. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Sad that we had to come here at this time. We want to come here with a lot more people, more excitement, but there's not a lot going on. Okay, we moved a little bit further from our last location. I hope I don't get a ticket parking there, but we're just gonna explore the island just a little bit more before we leave to go back and shop. We're gonna go back to Costco and shop. Very windy. Damn. But this ice cream, it's not a cream, it's an ice Dippin dots. I'm assuming it's very famous. Have you heard of it? I ate it before. I don't really like it.
前も食べてなかった？どっかで。そうでしょ。
I like the taste, but I don't get it why it has to be a ball. No, I mean I like the taste. It's not untasty.
何が好きじゃないの？
The balls. I don't understand the balls. Got one. Let's go. All right, we are leaving this area. This very beautiful area, Enoshima. We'll be back when it's all un-corona and all very normal and with a lot of people, with all the stores open. We'll be back and I'll make a video out of it. Alright? we just wanted to get out of the house, and then she wanted to go to the beach because it was a very beautiful day. So that's why we came here. Now we're gonna go back, go do some shopping, and we have like a business call tonight with our shops. I say business, but we just our manager wants to call us just to check up on us. So let's go shopping.
If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. You, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy.
Right, we're here at Costco, as you can see. We got here a little bit late. We gotta finish up the shopping quite fast. Oh, Marco found it.
Ooh, it stays between me and you. Me and you. What we do, it stays between me and you. Between me and you.
Alright, that is it for today. Damn, I don't think I did that much. It's basically a full-on day of what I and Marco did today. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna go home, wash my hands, wash my face, rinse my mouth, and we should be alright. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. New vlogs will come every week, twice every 2 weeks, I guess. It's best if you guys subscribe and hit that bell button for YouTube to let you know when I post my vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Ooh, check out my website too. Do some dope blogging there as well. Yeah. Very noisy cars just passing by. Ooh, light.